Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight bulb in a Mitsubishi Mirage. First, ensure your car is parked safely with the engine off and cool. Gather your new bulb and basic tools like a screwdriver. Always wear gloves to protect your hands and prevent oils from transferring to the new bulb, which can shorten its lifespan. Now, let's access the bulb. Open your car's hood and find the back of the headlight unit. You'll see an electrical connector. Gently press its tab and pull it off. Next, remove the round rubber dust cover. Finally, unclip the metal retaining spring that holds the old bulb securely in its housing. With the old bulb exposed, carefully pull it straight out from its socket. Take your new bulb, holding it only by its base, and align its tabs with the slots in the headlight housing. Gently push it in until it's seated. Then, re-engage the retaining spring, ensuring it clicks firmly into place to hold the bulb securely. Almost done, slide the rubber dust cover back over the headlight assembly, making sure it forms a good seal. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb until you hear a click. Close your car's hood. Finally, turn on your headlights to test both the low and high beams, confirming everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.